Hi everyone, I'm Sharon, and I've gotten for you an archaeological festive Fido. Now, it was discovered in 2013 by the Milton Keynes team. Animal bones can tell us a lot about the people who lived in the past, and they don't just provide information about what they ate, but also the insights into relationships with these animals. And we can see this particularly in the case of dogs. Back in 2013, the Milton Keynes team excavated part of the Roman town at Towcester, close to the line of Watling Street in the Roman Road. The excavations included the remains of some stone-built buildings and the town wall. There were 5 almost complete dogs, both males and females, of different sizes and shapes. But one particular dog was very interesting, and it was buried in a shallow pit. It was interesting because the head had been removed and then placed by its hind legs. Now, this treatment echoes some of the human burials that we get in the Roman period, where the individuals have been decapitated and the head placed by the legs or feet. We don't really have clear answers as to why this was done for the people, but the treatment of the dog suggests a similar motivation. It tells us something about the way the dog was viewed. Maybe it was valued or loved. Whole bodies of animals on Roman sites are most often dogs, suggesting they had a different status to other animals. This may be because they were used as working dogs or pets. Sometimes the bodies were put in more unusual locations, such as pits, ends of ditches, and into graves. A small female dog was found in the grave at Allington Avenue in Dorchester. Dogs are also found in wells. In some cases, other objects are also present, and the dog's body seems to have been part of the ritual practices. Excavation by Cotswold Archaeology of a well at Oak Lane in Bredon and Worcestershire found whole pots, skulls of cattle and horse, human skull, part of a raven, and several dogs. At least 2 were puppies, a young dog and 2 adults. Now, this deposit marked the closure of the well. Roman dogs came in a wide range of shapes and sizes, and this variation was similar to the differences in breeds of dog that we have today. Our Towcester dog was short and had slightly bowed legs, although probably not as much as the modern Basset Hound or Dachshund. These small dogs were often associated with households of higher status, so it seems more likely that it was a pet rather than a working dog. We can't assume that the past people's attitudes to animals were the same as ours. However, archaeological remains show us that the relationship between people and animals were probably as complicated in the past as they are today, and we'll probably never really understand the reason for removing the head of the little Towcester dog. So I hope you've enjoyed hearing a little bit about these Christmassy canines that the Milton Keynes dug at Towcester.